to the politics way because it's gonna be very dangerous and of course Indonesia will be separated. Of course, yeah, it's gonna be dangerous and if I'm not mistaken, yeah, my predictions like 5 years later, if these problems still exist, of course Indonesia has many countries in this Indonesia because we are separated. We are not believe each other. Oh,
Allah.
you are Kalimantan's people. Oh, you are Sumatra people. Of course, you are Java. So you are separated because of race, because of this. Do you believe why Indonesia can become one? Become one because of we have nationality. We are depend on our perception. Like, oh, I'm Muslim. Oh, I'm a Buddhist. I'm Christians. So I'm Java. I'm Bali. I'm Irian. So of course we cannot become one. So that's it. Please don't put religion on the politics. Yeah, but the campaign is good. Yeah, campaigns. This is one way how to democratize